So I would say that my career has been based on a kind of analytical awareness of my own assumption, what I should maybe not take for granted or even, again, assume is the right way to do things. There are no rules. Choreography, there are no rules. In a ballet academy, in the training, there are rules. But choreography actually is expected to be exception. And thank goodness when we challenge rules, the world does not fall apart. I'm what I call a nuts and bolts person. I'm interested in the way things are made, the craft. I love craft. I'm constantly moved by how sincere dancers are. Yeah, this really sincere desire to be in this situation that might show them something. It might change their state of being. And that's what keeps me going even at my age, is this sincerity from all my colleagues.